Hello everyone, today you have joined the CREATIVELK YouTube channel. How to add a photo over a video in CapCut PC. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing to and liking the video. Here we are in CapCut PC. So, I'm working on a project, and I want to go and add a photo over the video here. Perhaps this is an image to go and explain something. It's a logo. It doesn't matter. We're going to guide you through how you can add it to it and make different adjustments. So, let's go and dive into it. So what you want to do is we need to come to the top left, press Media, and go and press Import. Now we need to go and locate it. So I'm going to come and find it. I'm going to go and use the CREATIVELK icon here. So let's go and then select that like so. And what you can then do is go and press Open like this. Now we've gone and imported it in. What you then want to do is you can go and hover over it, and you can then click and hold, and you can drag it where you want it. Make sure you drag it over the top of the video. As you can see, there it is. Now, you can go and adjust the length that it appears for. Click and hold, and drag the start and end points to do that. And with it selected, you can then go into the preview and use the corner points to go and change the size of it like this. Now, what I like to do is go and click on the video beneath it. Press Ctrl+B to make a split at the start. And we'll then also do the end of it like so. You can then go and have that selected and we can blur it. So, you can go and press Effects, and we can go and type and blur. Then you can go and drag it onto that clip like so. I hope you can understand. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel.